Thank you so much for opening right now where you are on the Afro Live channel. I love the way you are. English is the best language that I want you to know, I want you to like. At the beginning, I did not know that English is the best language, but today I love it. Thanking my teacher who tried to focus on how I have to correct my mistakes, and today, step by step, I know that things will be all right. Please, if it's the first time, subscribe on this channel. Today I bring the best topic that we are going to talk about are some mistakes and correctly spelled words for some people. It comes time where you can say lying and you write L-I-E-I-N-G. You made a mistake. Please, you have to write lying in this way, L-Y-I-N-G. Thank you so much. The second word that I need you to know is carefully, with C-A-R-E-F-U-L-Y. That is a mistake. It is written by C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. The mistake was on double L. The third word I want you to know is illegal. Illegal is written by doubling L, and where you made single L, you made a mistake. By the way, we write I-L-E-G-A-L, and the correct word you have to say I-L-L-E-G-A-L. Looking bigger with double G. Some people write single G. That is a big mistake. They have to write B-I-G-G-E-R. Bigger. Thank you. Observe dining where they write double N. In reality, it's a mistake. We have not to double N. The correct one is D-I-N single one, N-I-N-G, dining. Immediately is a confusing word that confuse many people. The correct one with double M, immediately, where you write I-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y. That is which is right. Thank you. I want you to make your own observation on believe, advised, and laziest. There are other words that are confusing, wishing you to continue searching. Come back to believe. The confusion is between I and E. Look. If you observe very well on a device, the confusion is on C, where we have to choose S. On laziest, some people forget that Y have to be changed into I. Thank you for your observation. Wishing you to subscribe wherever you are. And I let you know this and comment on it. Nobody is perfect, you know. Every time we have to improve. Thank you so much. We love you. You are with Daniel.